Hello everyone, welcome to another awesome video. I still Mohammed Kobilago, and I have an awesome update for you guys. Okay, um, the November training is meant to start today. Okay, but we have decided to combine November training with December training. Okay, so we're going to have one last training for the year. Okay, so anybody who is registering right now is going to partake in the last training for the year. Okay, and the training is going to start on the 7th of December. Okay, on the 7th of December. So if you have not registered, make sure to go and register right now. This training right now is the last training for the year. Okay, join it, don't miss out on it. Okay, look, the one thing you have to understand in this life is that you have to equip yourself with self-sufficient skills, and one of those skills is binary and forex trading. Okay, people can start as low as $10 and they start making money. Okay, they start growing their portfolio. Okay, but you cannot do it successfully if you're not trained. Okay, yes, we understand that the basic is different from the advanced class, but hey, when you have the basic understanding, when you have the basic understanding, what you have is what is called a solid foundation. And when you have a solid foundation, it will catapult you to the next level. Okay, so that when you even decide to sign up for an advanced class, it won't sound Greek to you. Okay, it won't sound Greek to you when somebody tells you that they want to, when somebody want to ask you a question about, binary trading or forex trading, or when you sign up to our advanced class and we start teaching you, it won't sound Greek to you. Okay, so guys, if you are ready, okay, make sure you sign up. TST is accepted, Cash is accepted, Bitcoin is accepted. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now. Make sure to sign up right now. Okay, my contact information is in the description below. Shalom.